Yo, to was good, y'all. Welcome back to the club. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Tech Realism, where we talk real tech. Guys, I already know, you guys saw by the title. You guys want to know how to use your iPhone as a webcam on your laptop or your PC. It's an easy, simple step, okay? I know some people might have a laptop that might have a very bad, crappy quality as a webcam. So I'm gonna show you how to use your iPhone 15 for the sake of this video, or any iPhone for that matter, as your webcam. Okay, guys, this is compatible with both Android as well as iPhone. Okay, guys, before we get into the video, guys, all right, like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew. We growing up in here, guys. Look at this right now. We're at 342 subscribers at the time of this recording, guys. 342 subscribers, guys. Guys, we growing each and every day up in this joint, guys. And each and one of you guys contribute to Tech Realism, where we talk real tech, all right? If you guys like videos like this, how-to videos for iPhones, how-to videos for Android, different tech that I be unboxing on this channel, guys, this is the channel for you. All right, YouTube. So without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so boom, you know what I'm saying, we're just gonna head over to my computer, right? So boom, we're presented with my Google search right here. So you want to search for Camo, okay? And this is the first link that you want to click. Link in the description. I'll provide a link down below. And basically, you're just going to click on this link right here. And then you're going to be presented with the Camo website. Okay? So on this Camo website, you want to head over to download for Windows if you have a Windows device. And then basically, it's just going to automatically download. Okay? For those who are Mac users, okay, you want to click on other platforms, and then you're going to click on Mac OS. But obviously, you know, there's other ways of using your iPhone as a camera on your Mac. There's so many other ways of doing that. But if you want to use Camo to use that, if you want to use Camo to, you know, use your phone as a camera, you could do that as well. All right. So now we're going to head over to my downloads right here, to your recent downloads like so. And basically, as you can see, we got the Camo installation, the executable, my apology, executable file right here. Okay, so then what you want to do is you can either double click on it, or you can just open it in the files folder, and then you can just download it like so. Okay, I already downloaded it already, but for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna do it again. Now it's opening up on my other screen like so. I'm just gonna click out of here, and then boom, you're presented with the CamoStudio setup. Okay, this is the wizard setup. All right, for my technical guys, you guys know what a wizard is, but I'm just gonna keep it simple. You know what I'm saying? This is the CamoStudio setup. Very simple to do. You're gonna click I accept the terms and conditions in the license agreement. Click on install. Now you should have another pop-up on your screen asking you to run it like so. Boom, I just ran it. Boom, now it's doing what it needs to do in order to download and install CamoStudio. All right, so we're just gonna let that do its thing. All right, boom. As you can see, now it's done. So now you have the option, you can either uncheck this or check this to launch CamoStudio. So we're gonna click on finish. Once we click on finish, it's going to launch it on my screen somewhere over here. Okay, so it's actually down here. I'm going to click on CamoStudio for it to open up. And now it's just taking some time to open up. Let's see what's going on over here. Okay, so I opened it twice, it seems like it. Alright, so boom. Now, it's on my other screen right here. And as you can see right now, we got two screens going on over here. But as you can see right here on my screen right here, we're using the laptop camera, which is very garbage, you know what I'm saying? So we don't want to do that, obviously. But as you can see, I got some different softwares right here that we can use as a camera. For example, this is some other app that you can use as a camera, but I'm gonna show you the CamoStudio. So once you got this right here, what you want to do is you want to head over to your iPhone. Okay, so we're gonna head over to my iPhone, like so. Boom. Now you can see my screen right here. This is on the iPhone 15. This works for all iPhone, iOS 17, 16, 15, or even you know, iPhone or iOS 18, which is gonna come out. Whatever, you get the point. Basically, it works on all iOS updates. Okay, all iOS versions. Okay, so basically, you're gonna go to the App Store like so, and then you're gonna search for Camo. Or actually, you don't want to search for Camo. You actually want to search this right here. I'm gonna put a link in the description, so don't worry. Okay, so you actually want to search. It's actually called. Let's see if it picks up Camo. Okay, it does. So it's Camo. You're gonna install that. You're gonna get it. Install, and then basically you gotta put in your password or whatever. So I'm just gonna do that, like so. And then basically it's gonna install the app. We're just gonna install it. So we're just gonna let it do its thing. And once, okay, as you can see now it's installed. And you're gonna click on open, right? Click on continue. And then you're gonna allow the camera obviously to be used and microphone as well. And then you can also allow your local network if you want as well. Okay. We're just gonna click on get started. And then now we're gonna go back to the Camo on my laptop right here. So we're gonna go back to Camo right here, right? And then basically on my phone right now, it's saying that it's not connected. So we're just gonna go to settings, and then basically gonna see if it's going to pair up, like so. So connect the device. You're gonna click on your laptop and click and connect to a device like so, and you're just gonna scan the QR code like so. Boom, and now it's scanning. Okay, and now it says it's active. And now we're gonna go back to my laptop, and as you can see my phone on the laptop. Okay, there you go, like so. And now I'm using my phone as a camera, as you can see right now. And as you can see, it looks pretty good, perfectly useful. You could use this on Zoom. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so now we can even test it on Zoom, for example. If you were to go to Zoom, right? If we were to open up Zoom like so. Okay, and if you were to start a new meeting, okay, let's just turn on my phone real quick. Let's do that again. Okay, and then we go on camera. So now you have the option to click on Camo, right? And if you were to turn on Camo, let me just turn it on the app right here on my phone. Okay, I have to reconnect it because it seems like it just got disconnected again. So we're gonna do that again. Just gonna scan that QR code. So basically we're gonna select the device, connect the device like so, and then boom, right? So now we're connected. So now, as you can see on Zoom, it's also connected like so. And if I were to point it like that, as you can see, you know, my camera is live right now. You know what I'm saying? And you can move it around or whatever you want. But obviously, you want to put it on a mount and then use it like so, right? And so that's how you do it on Zoom. Okay. But obviously on Zoom, as you guys saw, obviously there's the logo because this is a free version of Camo. Okay, this is a free version, so it's gonna have the whole watermark on it. But if you don't want the free version, you can purchase a full version. But that's if you want to do that. All right, YouTube. So yeah, that's the video. Like, comment, subscribe, join the club, join the crew, guys. As you guys can see on my screen right now, we're at 342 subscribers, guys. At the time of this recording. And again, each one of you guys contribute to the club, contribute to this channel. All right, YouTube. All right, YouTube. We out. Peace.